Are you looking for the best sewing machine? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. This computerized sewing machine from Singer is the ultimate for advanced sewing and crafting, and with an easy-to-load bobbin and automatic needle threader, you'll be up and running in next to no time. This sewing machine has 600 built-in stitch patterns as well as 13 buttonhole styles that will give you total creative control when it comes to making stunning garments, home decor and more. One-touch stitch selection, visible on the LCD display screen, makes choosing the perfect stitch pattern for your project easy, and the machine will even memorize your top 8 most commonly used stitches so you can get to them even faster next time. Then the included extension table will transform and expand the surface to allow you more control over the fabric. As well as 18 presser feet so you can work on a variety of projects. This machine also comes complete with a seam ripper, quilting bar, clearance plate and a ton of other great accessories. At number 2. Brother SE600 Sewing Machine. If embroidery is your craft of choice, then this computerized sewing machine from Brother is exactly what you're looking for. A built-in 4x4 embroidery field with an included hoop, arm and foot will help you get professional results at the touch of the button. You can even import your own designs with the built-in USB port. The automatic needle threader will take all of the hard work out of threading your machine, which is especially useful if your creation requires a lot of differently colored threads. This machine will give you full creative control over your embroidery, and the full-color LCD touchscreen display allows you to easily choose and read the functions that you've selected. You can even change the individual color threads using a built-in color palette and preview it before stitching. The super bright LED lit work area will give a perfect, clear view of your project, which is fantastic for intricate patterns or for stitching on darker fabrics, and the convertible free arm is great for stitching sleeves, jeans or anything cylindrical. This fantastic sewing machine also comes complete with a range of accessories including 7 sewing feet, a 6-piece needle set, 3 pre-wound bobbins and more. At number 3. Janone JW8100 Sewing Machine. This fully computerized machine from Janone will take your creative projects to the next level. Built with cutting-edge technology, it includes 100 stitch patterns as well as 7 buttonhole stitches, which is perfect if you're using your machine to make clothing. The automatic needle threader will have your machine up and running and ready to start sewing in a matter of seconds, and the simple and convenient control buttons make operating the machine easy. This sewing machine comes with an included extension table, which allows you to expand the surface area of the free arm and tackle larger projects. The free arm is also removable and houses a handy storage compartment for you to keep threads, needles and scissors close to hand. Removing the free arm also gives you a smaller work surface for more sewing more intricate details, or hemming a pair of pants. As well as all of these amazing features, this sewing machine also includes a hard cover to keep your machine clean and dust-free when it's not in use. Fully computerized with 100 stitch patterns and 7 buttonhole stitches. Automatic needle threader will get your machine ready to start stitching in a matter of seconds. Includes a free arm extension table that allows you to create larger projects. At number 4. Singer Quantum Stylist 9985. Singer has been a front-runner when it comes to sewing machines for decades, and this computerized model lives up to the standard of quality you'd expect from this reputable brand. It has 960 built-in stitches including 6 styles of alphabet, and a buttonhole sewing function, along with a stitch reference chart which is located on the upper lid of the machine that allows you to quickly reference all the stitches and choose the best one for your project. An easy threading system with an automatic needle threader allows you get the whole machine ready to start sewing in as little as 6 seconds. It also has an extra large LCD touch screen for easy operation, that shows you the stitch settings you've selected, along with stitch settings, width and recommended presser foot. As if all of that wasn't enough, this sewing machine has a mirror imaging and elongation function, and includes 13 presser feet so you can really expand your sewing skills. This amazing sewing machine really can do it all. At number 5. Brother Project Runway CS4044PRW. Delivering couture-level stitching, this sewing machine from Brother is perfect if making clothes or tailoring is your craft. Ultra lightweight and portable, its 50 built-in stitches will help you customize your style with ease and give you professional results. It also has a handy, quick reference stitch chart so you can be sure you're choosing the correct one before commencing with your work. The automatic threader takes the hard work out of pushing the thread through the eye of the needle, and the quick-set top bobbin is super easy to load, allowing you to get on with your craft in a matter of seconds. This brilliant machine also has a vertical spool pin which helps to ensure consistent thread feeding, which is imperative when using metallic or specialist threads. You can even add that extra detail to your garments with the built-in decorative, scallop, checkerboard or feather stitch patterns. Has 50 built-in stitches and 5 buttonhole patterns. Easy to read LCD screen lets you easily select the stitch pattern you require. Vertical spool pin ensures a consistent thread feed when using metallic or specialist threads.